This is financial advisor Patrick Monroe talking about how to make more money. Basically, making more money is something in America that a lot of people aspire to and give lip service to, but very few people actually do. How to make more money is a mindset as opposed to an activity. And once you start looking, always consciously looking for ways to make more money, you'll find that you will have the energy in order to do so. If you're employed, there's not a lot you can do because your compensation is normally fixed. So what you have to do is start another business or a service that you're going to fulfill and go out into the marketplace and fulfill it. It takes time. It doesn't necessarily take a lot of money, although there are some startup costs with any new venture and a period of time before that venture starts paying you back. But there are ways to make more money if you have the desire to make more money. This is financial advisor Patrick Monroe talking about how to make more money.